Today we're showing you a New Holland T4.105 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Comes with a New Holland 655 TL front loader. Loader is quick attach. The bucket has a universal skid steer style quick attach connection. 6-foot bucket's in real nice shape. A little bit of a scuff here in the loader beam, but nothing too major. Paint's in nice shape in the tractor. Tires are in good shape. It's got the Galaxy Radial tires on it. 2 entry doors in the tractor. 2 mirrors on the cab. Back tires are the 18.434s. Real nice shape. Got the telescopic 3-point arms, stabilizer bars, 540 PTO, top link, dual rear hydraulics. It's got the rear wiper, rear work lights. This also is the Italian tractor. Some of these tractors were built in Turkey, some were built in Italy, so this is the better of the 2 versions. Toolbox on the side. It's a good, clean tractor. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean in here. It's got the buddy seat here on the side. Air ride seat there for the operator. Has a tilt steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. To the right, you've got your range lever, as well as your H pattern 1, 2, 3, 4 gear shift lever. Your ranges and your gear shift gives you a total of 12 speeds. Also have the joystick here to operate your loader. Hydraulic controls and PTO there to the right. 3-point right here beside the seat. Differential lock and 4-wheel drive buttons also to the right. On the cab post, you've got your heat and air conditioning controls, as well as the radio. Up top, you've got the sun roof that tilts open. Your individual brake pedals, foot throttle, clutch pedal here to the left. It's a very clean little tractor yet. Perfect size to do some haying or anything of that nature. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing on our equipment. If you have any questions, please contact us.